It's Abdu again. Let's elevate. Today we learn the sound A. That's great. From day to name, from take to plain. Say it right, keep it in your brain. A. Start short and high and wide. Your mouth moves up like a wave you ride. It's two-part sound, a diphthong name. It starts like and with a flame. Say, take, game, same, name. Long and clear. That's how you claim your fame. Say day, day. Yeah, feel the wave. Say play, play. Yeah, sound so brave. Say name, name. That's the game. The A sounds got perfect aim. Take these examples and tips. Face, make, same and place. Keep it smooth, don't lose your pace. Don't cut it short, don't make it flat. Glide that sounds just like that. Hear that A. A. It's long, not plain. Practice slow, then do it again. A. 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 That's the way. Sounds every single day. Talk with a rhythm, learn with a play. English with a beat. That's RAPLISH A.